Hello, good afternoon. This is Jose Hernandez here, and I just want to present some of my progress of my project. I'm building a tool management system, and here you can see it's up and running on render. I just wanted to show you something on the code. We are using the Joy package here to create a schema so we can verify some information for a power tool, for example. So just to make sure that it's a name, brand, model, serial number required. For example, condition that it's between like new, good, fair, or poor, and it's also required. And for example, notes here, it's optional and it can allow to be blank. And this one too, last service, it can also be optional and a date type. So basically what we do is just create a schema, and when we create a power tool, we use that schema to validate the information that's coming through the request through the body. So I'm gonna just show you how that's working right now. We're making use of the Swagger API docs. So it should be that one. Oh, API docs. So we're using Swagger to test our routes, the UI. Here we have get, post, get, put, and delete for power tools, and then get, post, get, put, and delete for hand tools. Those are the two collections I'm using. So just to show you some of the results that I'm getting. For example, we have these data entries. We have some power tools here registered under the Milwaukee bandsaw, and this is the brand, the model, the serial number, as conditions, fair, status, and this is going to be important, this date type. So I'm just copying, for example, that one. And I'm gonna create a new power tool. And it's gonna be, for example, a Milwaukee impact 12-inch impact, and it's gonna be a Milwaukee model impact. I don't know, serial number is just a couple of numbers right there. Condition, new, status, available, notes, brand new, let's say, last service. Well, we can leave that, and then we execute it. If everything goes well, our request body is gonna show us a message. Power tool was created successfully, and it has this ID. So we can make use of that ID to come here. Well, I'm not gonna close that one, so I'm gonna use it later. And we can try and search for that one specifically. And what we get is the new one I just created, Milwaukee half inch impact driver. And if I were to create something, but let's say doesn't have a name and condition is also blank, I'll execute it, and when it comes, it's gonna same, it's gonna throw an error. Um, that error is being read, and then it's throwing the message like name is not allowed to be empty, as we can see here in the code. Uh, for example, create power tool. So what happens is when the schema throws an error, it returns that error and the details of the error and the message. So instead of going through the database and just creating the object, it returns the error and it goes straight to the error, not processing the request. And that's what we wanted to be, right? So, well, let's say that's working right now. And then we have another set of hand tools. That's basically more of the same, just with hand tools. Um, and this is a collection of just uh, five data rows: a name, brand, size, condition, status, and an extra notes, which is also optional. And yeah, I just have three inputs here, but it's pretty much working the same as the power tools. And when we come here to the power tools to try to maybe edit the information um, under this part what I just created, I'm just test, brand test. The model is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry, that was no serial number was here, supposed to be here. Model is going to be test. Condition new. Status available. It has to be, remember that has to be somewhere between the available options, like the available words, specific words. Nodes is going to be empty because it can be empty. And last service is going to be just like that. So when we execute it, get a status, power tool was updated. And yeah, pretty much that was it. I'm gonna just go ahead and copy this one to show you guys that it works. And again, oh, so there is updated to test. So that's how the error handling work and also data validation. When it comes to a specific error, it shows you the message. Um, and when you don't enter the valid data, well, you get an error. So that's basically what it's going to do. This API help you manage your tools and just have a clean record of, well, I don't know, your inventory. So that's going to be all for me. And thank you very much.